Hi everyone, my name is Anirudh. I'm an Indian Liaison Officer for George Brown College, Canada. We are really excited to inform you that we are participating in the education fair organized by Canam Consultant in the month of September, which is starting from 18 September to 28 September. George Brown is one of the leading public colleges in Canada, and we are based right in downtown Toronto. We are offering approximately 175 full-time programs to the international students in the field of business, IT, construction, health science, culinary, and hospitality. And Canam is one of the trusted partners for George Brown College, and they have helped a lot of students to apply at George Brown College. If you want to know more about our programs, the opportunities we are offering to the international students, you can book your appointment with George Brown College, desk number 8, through the Canam Consular to participate in the fair and meet us in person. Thank you.